Pete Strasser, Technical Director of the International Dark Sky Association. We get many requests wondering if you can actually do something about dark skies at your home. And yes, you certainly can. If you need to light an area, that's a reasonable thing. Our name says dark sky, not dark ground. And you can certainly have the ability to have good lighting in your home and still protect the nighttime sky. The most important thing is to decide if you need it, when you need it, and use it just as necessary. There's really no reason to have a light on all the time. We don't consider darkness justification for lighting something. There needs to be a reason. The most important thing is the selection of the product and to where the light is going to be aimed. A fixture such as this, mounted on a wall, is going to shine the light down and not up. It's a very fundamental thing. Aim the light down. You want to make sure the light simply goes where it's going to be useful. Any light going up, it's not going to be useful at all. It's also, you're being a good neighbor. There's no reason the light from your property should shine on somebody else's. Be a good neighbor and keep the light directed on your property. It's a good thing to do. There's no reason you have to be that neighbor that has a light shining everywhere. Now, we've seen that we need to aim the light in the right place. We want to make sure that we control it. There's no reason to have a light on all night. One of the simplest things is to use a motion control. And that is when there's motion out there, the light pops on, usually for a set time that you can adjust the thing, and have it turn off when it's not needed. This is actually a safe situation to do. For safety concerns, the motion sensor is a very good product. People become complacent to a steady state light, and it doesn't really do much. But if suddenly a light pops on, it draws attention. And that's an important thing, because if you have a perpetrator, suddenly a light pops on, they don't hang around to see if it was somebody at the switch or if something turned on automatically. So having a light suddenly come on, drawing attention, is a better, safe application of the light. But it's really a good idea to assess to see how much light do you actually need. It's a dark sky fundamental principle that more light does not mean more safe. Better light means more safe. The other thing to consider now that we have LEDs is the color temperature. Now this is something that never was really an issue in the past because the incandescent lamp was about it. But now we have LEDs, you can notice a different appearance that the lights will have. Some a very harsh, piercing blue color, or you can have a more warm hue that was typical of the incandescent. This piercing blue light is not a good thing for the nocturnal habitat and being outside. If you're old like me and you have blue light shining in your eyes, you have this condition called veiling luminance, and it's like somebody put gauze in front of your eyes, and that's not a safe situation. If you use a warmer light, you're not going to have as much of that blue wavelength emission, and it's a safer situation. Same thing for the nocturnal habitat. There's no reason to have all that short wavelength blue light, which can cause a tremendous amount of disruption to the circadian rhythm of the critters of the night. And nighttime is half our world, so let's respect it and let's do the right thing and not cause potential problems. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. You can do good at your house and start with dark skies there. Thank you.
Awesome. That was great. Yeah, nice job, Pete. You got such a good voice for that.
That's my radio voice.
You got all the little